Welcome to this comprehensive guide on selecting the right customer success platform for your team. In this series, we'll walk through a structured evaluation process to help you choose a solution that works for both your internal team and your customers. By the end, you'll have a clear framework for making this important decision. Choosing the right customer success platform impacts two critical groups. For your team, the right platform boosts productivity through workflow automation, improves data accessibility, and enables better collaboration. For your customers, it leads to faster issue resolution, more proactive engagement, and greater visibility into their success journey. Making the right choice sets the foundation for sustainable growth. We'll break down platform selection into 3 manageable steps. First, assess your needs by defining what your team and customers actually require. Second, compare available options by evaluating features, pricing, and integration capabilities. Third, make an informed decision by running pilots and scoring platforms against your criteria. This structured approach removes guesswork from the equation. Start by asking yourself 3 key questions. How many customer success managers and support staff need access, and what is your organizational structure? What customer data must you track and analyze to measure success? Which existing tools and systems must the platform connect with seamlessly? Understanding these requirements prevents you from paying for features you don't need or missing critical capabilities. Look for core functionality like customer health scoring, which identifies at-risk accounts. Workflow automation saves your team time on repetitive tasks. Real-time dashboards provide immediate visibility into customer status. Reporting and analytics help you measure impact. For integration and scale, ensure the platform connects with your CRM, offers API access for custom integrations, supports multiple customers, and meets your security and compliance requirements. Create a comparison matrix to evaluate platforms side by side. List your critical features and check which platforms support them. Assess integration capabilities with your existing tools. Compare health scoring and automation features. Evaluate reporting flexibility. This visual comparison makes it easy to spot which platform best aligns with your needs and helps eliminate weaker options from consideration. Beyond features, evaluate 4 additional dimensions. For pricing, understand whether you pay per user or a flat rate, what setup and onboarding costs exist, and what hidden fees might apply. Support and training matter tremendously for adoption. Check implementation quality, training resources, vendor responsiveness, and community documentation. Implementation time affects your time to value. Finally, ensure the platform meets your security and compliance requirements with proper data encryption, certifications, and uptime guarantees. Now it's time to decide. First, run a pilot program with a subset of customers for 2 to 4 weeks to gather real feedback from your team. Second, score each platform against your weighted criteria for an objective comparison. Third, negotiate the final contract, including pricing, implementation timeline, and support terms. Secure executive buy-in and allocate the resources needed for a successful rollout. The right customer success platform empowers your team through efficiency and automation, delights your customers with faster resolutions and proactive support, and enables strategic growth for your business. While platform selection requires careful evaluation, the investment of time now pays dividends for years to come. Use this framework to make a confident decision that serves both your team and your customers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.